This is craving satisfied. Hi, my people. Let's make this Ofaku stew together. This is all the way from Anambra State, Nigeria. To your pot, wash your palm fruit or banga. Then let it boil. Then let's season our meat. Season with seasoning of your choice. I'm using goat meat, onions, mangi, and just slight seasoning. Cover and allow to cook. Don't forget to steam your meat with a little bit of water. So pounded palm fruit oil. We're going with your minced pepper. I'm using atarodo, yellow and red atarodo. Going with your ice fish, I'm using mackerel fish for this one. Then going with your stockfish, guys, and just going to your meat stock. Do not forget your meat stock. It changes everything. Then go with your meat and stir a little bit. Then go in with your Ofaku spice. Go to your local stores and ask them for Ofaku spice. They will give it to you. Then I go in with more crayfish. This is Ofaku. You have to add more crayfish, my love. Then stir this goodness and allow to cook. Cover and allow to cook, alright? 15 minutes later, I go in with first of all our ugu leaf. Ofaku starts with ugu leaf. There's nothing with Ofaku without ugu leaf. Then next, going with your scent leaf. This is like a game changer. It makes everything more premium. Stay. Look at this goodness. I tasted, so I need to adjust this, and so I add more burning. It's already coming together. It's looking so good. Oh my god. Negodum, look at it now. One, check it out. Look at it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.